The diagram shows an isosceles triangle, and the area of the triangle is 12 centimeters squared. Work out the perimeter of the triangle and give your answer correct to three significant figures. In this triangle, we are told it's an isosceles triangle. That means that is x and that is x. The two sides shown are equal. And the base of the triangle is 5 centimeters. And we are expected to find the perimeter of the triangle. Basically, what we need to know is the value of x, and then put together this x and this x, and of course the 5 centimeters to acquire our perimeter. But it is not as easy. What we need to understand is now that it's an isosceles triangle, we need to have a perpendicular bisector of that angle, which is perpendicular to the base. And this will enable us to use the trigonometric ratios, what we normally call SOHCAHTOA. In this aspect, we need to exactly understand that the area of the triangle is half times base, which is 5, times the height, which is supposed to give us 12. Of course, now, having said that, we can easily calculate the h, because this is 2.5h will give us 12. If you divide both sides by 2.5, you will get our h is supposed to be 4.8 centimeters. Now we have the perpendicular height, which is 4.8 centimeters. Having said that, we can now take one of the triangles aside with our h 4.8 centimeters, and our base now from the midpoint of the base to one of the verses is 2.5 centimeters, because the whole base was 5 centimeters. This now is taking us to, if you want to get now probably the tangent of the angle theta, which if we call that theta, is going to give us 4.8 over 2.5. We are using the opposite over adjacent. And using our calculator, we can easily get our theta to be the tangent inverse of 4.8 over 2.5, which is 62. Our theta is 62.5 degrees. Now, having acquired our theta, this angle, we can therefore use either the cosine or the sine. Having realized that our theta is 62.5 degrees, then we can call upon the sine of 62.5 degrees is given by the opposite over the hypotenuse. But as we have always said, avoid using what you have found yourself, because you could be wrong. So we are going to use the cosine. The cosine of 62.5 degrees is adjacent, which is 2.5, over the hypotenuse, which is our x. And of course, our x is going to be 2.5, we divide by 62.5 degrees, which is equivalent to 5.4 centimeters. You may find out whether that is right. Now that we have our x, what is the perimeter of the figure or the triangle? We have 5.4 times 2, because we have 5.4 plus 5, which is 10.8 plus 5, which is exactly going to be 15.8 centimeters. And that is the perimeter of our figure.